I usually see many people nowadays are struggling with their memory power. They are not able to remember their daily routine things. And this is not only about people or adults, it is happening with students. They are not able to remember their study stuff. Whatever they read, it is very difficult for them to recall, to remember it. Today, we will talk about a simple technique that our parents and grandparents have been teaching to us, but we are not able to grab it because we have this mindset that whatever our elders are saying, it is not related to this modern age anymore. We feel we we are the one who are more intelligent. They don't know anything about this new generation. Somewhere they have more knowledge about the basic things of life. We just stepped into this world, but they are living, they are experiencing this world more than us. This is a simple technique and create a great impact if you are ready to adapt it. You don't have to do anything fancy. You just need to read your stuff, whatever your chapter is, whatever you want to remember, whether it's related to your studies, work, or any assignment, or any other thing. You have any presentation in office, just read it at once. Afterwards, close that book and try to write down everything in your notebook and see how much your mind is able to recall those learning. If you are able to write 20% of that stuff, it means you need to go back again. You need to learn it again. Your mind is not fully filled with that information. And it is not our mind's problem. Our mind is not weak, but it has some limitations. It can only store limited amount of data at one moment. But what we are doing nowadays, we are bombarding our mind with lot of information. We scroll 20 to 50 reels in 1 minute. We feel every emotion in just couple of minutes. At one moment, we watch some funny reels, and suddenly, on the second moment, we are watching something serious. We have disturbed that cycle of our mind. It is not how you should treat your mind. Therefore, we have decreased the capacity of this mind to remember things. And it can only be bring back with this technique, which we call a writing technique. Write it down, whatever you want to feed in your mind. Write that information. It is not only for the students, it is for every individual out there who is unable to remember things for their day to day life. It can sound very normal, and you might be thinking, we already knew it. But let me ask you, how many times you have tried this method? Hardly a few times. But this is a time to use this method as your primary technique to learn something. And if you will apply that method honestly, your muscle memory will get strengthened in no time. You will be amazed after it. So just try it once and get ready to shock everyone out there who consider you dumb and a person with poor memory. So that was all for today's video. I hope you have gained something new. I always try to share some good insights with all of you because along with improving my English speaking, I have one another motto behind recording these videos is to make good changes in people's life. That's why I always share this line with you. We all have to be the change to see the change. Thank you for watching up to this point. We will meet in next video. Until then, take care and bye.